So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unconventional experiment. Inside this white container contains about a gallon of my urine that I've been collecting for the past month or so. And yes, I said that right, a gallon of urine. I'm going to be mixing it with about 2 gallons of water, so this is going to be a 2-to-1 ratio. Now, what's funny about using your urine is that it's apparently it has a bunch of nitrogen inside of it and some other nutrients that are good for plants. So my experiment is going to be to use once a month that solution on my banana plants to see if I can get these bananas producing again. Okay, and within like a few seconds of just filling it up, like there's flies flying around it. I might actually pour this into the ground and then top it with some more water, just because it is a little pungent. So I'm not going to pour it on the side that's near my house. I'm going to pour it away onto the other side where the other banana trees are. But let's see. All right, this is banana 1. I'm not going to pour the entire thing, just going to pour some of it. And actually, before I do that, go ahead and move back the mulch. So if it does smell too much, it's not exactly on top of the mulch, but more so underneath it. Well, you can see the mycorrhizae forming on the mulch. Is a beneficial bacteria or fungi, is what I should say, breaking down the mulch. But yeah, let's go ahead and pour some. Okay, it does smell, yep, it smells a little pungent. As I figured it would be. Normally they say to mix about like a 5-to-1, so 1 gallon of urine to 5 parts water, 5-to-1. 5 parts water, 1 gallon of water, or 1 gallon of urine. It does smell, not gonna lie. But let's see if this has any beneficial use to my young banana plant. And then I have some over there that I'm gonna pour. Definitely smells exactly what you would think like. Not as bad because there is some water to dilute it. But yeah, let's see if this works as a liquid fertilizer. Not 100% bad. I mean, there's definitely some kind of smell, but stay tuned, subscribe and follow, and let's grow. We'll check back in a month and see how these plants are doing. Right now, this banana plant is maybe 3 feet high. That's about 1.5 feet. But yeah, let's grow.